Hey Cryptoverse, welcome to this episode of Crypto Baptist. The show highlights everything about institutions getting into crypto. Today's July 28th, 2021, and I'm your host, Dan. Goldman Sachs is filing a DeFi ETF. They just filed this with the SEC, and this ETF is going to be investing into companies that are doing business in blockchain and also the digitalization of finance. So the funny thing about the ETF is that when you look at the holdings, it's comprised of pretty much tech companies, and its largest holding is in Nokia, and it also invested in Fuji, and it also holds PayPal, Visa, Mastercard, Facebook, Google. I mean, why not Voyager, which is traded in Canada, and why not Coinbase? I mean, if you're talking about DeFi, those are the direct exposure right there. So it's an interesting ETF. Not sure about their holdings. I mean, it's definitely not DeFi in the purest sense, but you know, it's good that Goldman Sachs is getting into it. AAVE is launching AAVE Pro, and this is to allow institutional investors direct access to DeFi, and that's going to be coming soon. Now on to some FUD, real or not, we will have to see. Bloomberg reported that the Department of Justice is looking into Tether, whether the executives are committing bank fraud. And Tether responded to the Bloomberg article saying that it's repackaged news that Tether is always in communication with regulatory bodies, including the Department of Justice, and they are committed to cooperation, transparency, and accountability. Tether keeps me up at night. I've said it before. To be honest, I just want this thing to get resolved as quickly as possible, rather to let it continue to linger. Tether is $60 billion large. That's a huge company, or a huge amount. It is definitely material if there is fraud here. And we have Senator Elizabeth Warren sending a letter to Secretary Yellen about the concerns for cryptocurrencies, and she laid out the concerns here that you can read. Not sure why Senator Warren is so fascinated with cryptocurrency. I mean, all she talks about are the instability to the financial system that cryptocurrency will create. And she's forgetting 2008, when the largest financial crisis was created by the financial system and not crypto. Galaxy Digital is launching a VC fund of funds. It's a $33 million fund that's going to be investing in other venture funds that invest in cryptocurrency. And they've already got commitment from Franklin Templeton, which manages $1.4 trillion. And they also have interest from other RIAs, family offices, and high net worth individuals. Mastercard is now allowing cryptocurrency startups into their, looks like an accelerator. So their Start Path Global Startup is for startups in fintech, and now they're allowing cryptocurrency startups to get involved. They will help them to grow as quickly as possible, giving them access to their vendors and partners. 7 crypto companies have already signed up. Here they are. That's good. This is what I like about Mastercard and Visa. They are crypto friendly, and they continue to develop in this space. It seems like they recognize the interest and how disruptive it is, and instead of fighting against it, they are working with it. So kudos to them. All right, that's all I have for you today. Take care.